Sarah and Vinnie on Alice at 97.3.
I know he was a smoker.
Wasn't everyone at some point?
I was. I used to love it. I used to light one off another. Loved it. Couldn't get enough of them.
Yeah, I loved smoking.
If it was cold out, I was like, you know what? I need a cigarette. I wouldn't think I need a jacket. I'd think I need a cigarette.
Well, now you look cool while you're shivering. So, Black Star is the new album from David Bowie. His 28th album, his 69th birthday today. Happy birthday, David Bowie. Your voice sounds amazing. Really, so many songs of his. Like, would you please stop smoking over there? Jesus. Dorks.
I'm having the time of my life over here. Relax, would you?
It's fun.
Friday.
It's fun when you get in sync with Bryn on the sound effects. You know what? I hope you guys are getting this all on camera. I mean, honestly, he's like your personal Foley guy. Get back up and take another drag, buddy.
I
can't. Vinnie is like the person of all the people I know. He gets the most incapacitated by laughing.
Oh my god!
I think something will be like specifically not funny, and he's on the ground like rolling, and he cannot recover himself. Get back up here and exhale. It's gonna hurt if you hold it. You gotta watch the show. RadioWells.com/watch.
Oh, you're still saying my headphones fell off. I'm sorry. What were you saying?
Blow it out.
No, I don't want to. I'm done. We're done.
No.
Come on.
It's Friday. We're never done. We ain't done. We ain't never gonna be done.
What were you saying now? David Bowie.
I was done, basically, and you started smoking. And
Okay.